Inside the box of the Xiaomi automatic motion sensor water tap are the small booklet for the manual, the motion sensor water tap, 3 different sizes of sealing rings, a mounting wrench, and 6 water faucet adapters. Installation starts with the removal of the filter cap of the regular faucet. Clean the thread of any residue. Choose the appropriate adapter by matching it with the faucet size. I use the 12mm adapter with metal thread for faucets with external thread. Apply Teflon tape to the external thread of the faucet to avoid leak. Place the appropriate sealing ring in the adapter, which also serves as a filter. Attach the adapter to the faucet and use the mount wrench to keep it tight. Attach the water tap by just pushing it upwards and it will be locked to the adapter. You need to always open the valve of the faucet for the water to flow into the water tap. There are 2 sensors on the water tap, one on the side and the other at the bottom. Each operates differently. The side sensor proximity is within 5 centimeters, while the bottom sensor can detect your hands up to 10 cm below the faucet. The side sensor allows water to continuously flow up to 3 minutes duration after the sensor is activated. You can stop the water flow anytime by just activating again the sensor. On the other hand, the bottom sensor can provide water up to 20 seconds as long as your hand is right under the sensor. Unlike the side sensor, water flow will stop once you move your hands away from the faucet. It starts again quickly as soon as you move back your hands underneath the faucet. Unfortunately, my water pressure at home is not that strong, so I never had that strong water flow experience. According to the manufacturer, the water tap can handle water pressure from 0.05 megapascal to 0.8 megapascal. 1 megapascal is more than 145 psi or pound force per square inch. Although, if you remove the water tap, this is how the water pressure of my faucet looks like. I tried if I could adjust the outlet of the tap, but it could not be removed. This also means that you cannot repair or clean the water outlet on the tap just in case there's a clog. Detaching the water tap from the faucet adapter is done by using the opposite end of the mount wrench. The instruction for this is found on the manual. The water tap is powered by a rechargeable battery that can last for days, considering the device's power consumption is a mere 0.2 milliwatt. This device is originally named as Xiaomi Automatic Water Saver Tap and is part of the Xiaomi ecosystem. Like this video for future reference and subscribe to this channel. Daghang salamat, ako si Jun Tariman, high-tech bye!